Free forums, Reddit, and Audible trials are all you need for this method. And what's up guys, I'm James and welcome to Money Hustle, the best place to be if you're looking for great new ways to hustle and make money online. And if you haven't done it yet, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on other great videos just like this one. And guys, like I mentioned in the intro, today you're going to learn how to make money using forums, Reddit, and the Audible affiliate program. And before you click away, this is not a spam forums or Reddit method. This is a long-term, reliable, non-spam method that you can start today without spending any money. This means you don't need a landing page and you don't need any money to spend on ads. This is a 100% free traffic method. So this method is great for people who are a tight budget who are new to affiliate marketing. You're going to be promoting a free offer that pays you $5 each time someone signs up for a free trial account. Just think how easy it is to promote something that is free and has value. And to make it even easier for you, I will also show you how to easily get ready to use text so you don't need to waste time writing your own posts. This makes this method pretty much cut and paste. So make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any of the steps. Okay, let's start by taking a look at the actual program itself. This is what we're going to be marketing in this method. So this is the Audible affiliate program. And essentially what it is anytime somebody signs up for the free trial, you get paid $5. So it doesn't matter who they are, where they are, location, anything like that. If somebody signs up for it and signs up for the free trial, you get paid $5. And one thing I like about this program a lot is when you look at the actual details of it, we'll get into this in a second, but when you look about what they need to do in order for you to get paid. So let's say it's a free 30-day trial, right? Will you get paid if they only use 1 day, 70 days, or 30 days, or 3 days? It doesn't matter. The moment that they sign up, you get your commission. So even if somebody signs up and 4 days later they cancel it, you still get your commission. That is really, really good when it comes to affiliate marketing. It makes it so much easier to do it because you know that the moment they sign up, you made your $5. It doesn't matter if they cancel afterwards, you've made your $5. And also when you take a look, do I need a special landing page? No, you do not need a landing page for it. So you can send the traffic directly to the actual link, which is also nice. Again, that makes it a lot easier when you market it. So you don't need to set up landing pages and stuff like that. And also the free trial here that gives you some product details. They get 2 free audiobooks to start with. So when you're marketing it, you can mention that to people. You can say, hey, sign up for the free trial and you can get this book for free. It makes it really, really easy to convert and get people clicking on the link. Okay, so that is the offer. That's what we're going to be promoting. So what you need to do first, guys, is sign up and become an affiliate so you have an account here so you can start earning money and creating affiliate links. Okay, so after you created your affiliate account, the next thing we need to do is we need to find somewhere to market this offer and somewhere to get traffic from. And for this method, we're going to be targeting forums and specific niche forums. We could do a Google search, that could work, but it's not really the best way. The best way is to use a site that I found that I really like using, which is called findaforum.net. This is a great resource when it comes to finding forums. It gives us all kind of metrics and stuff like that that we can use. This makes it really easy for us to pick out good active forums. So what you want to do is you want to go to findaforum.net and you want to click on categories. And as you can see here, there's a whole bunch of categories. And this is great if you're looking, let's say you weren't going to promote this specific offer or something like that. Let's say you want to promote something else in another niche. This is also a great resource for finding forums and stuff like that where you can get free traffic to your offers. But today we're going to be promoting this method and we're going to be looking for forums related to books and literature. So in the categories here, we're going to click on books. And you're going to see a whole bunch of forums come up. Now, what I like about Find a Forum is that it gives you these metrics here, the topics, the posts, the members. And what you want to do is you want to take a look at these forums and you want to find ones that are active with a lot of members. Because as you know, there are a lot of forums on the internet and a lot of them are frankly dead or dying. And you don't want to waste time posting on a forum that's dead or dying. So for example, what I would do is I would take a look at this one and we'll go visit forum and visit forum. And we'll take a look and see what they got going on here. Now this one right here, I'm looking at the posts. I'm seeing a lot of, that's what you want to do is you want to take a look first and see that there are active posts. So you're seeing posts born today. That's good. So this would be a good one. And this one, booktalk.org. This one is also a good one because you have a lot of recent posts. That's pretty good. And I'm seeing here that people are advertising. So it means that you can probably post links on here, which is also good. So those are two good ones that we found here, but there's a ton. So guys, like when you're on Find a Forum and you're looking for forums and stuff like that, even though this method is showing you how to work with books and arts and literature, it doesn't mean that you couldn't pick another book in another niche. For example, you could go to another category like mental health or something like that and find something that's related to mental health and then promote that book on those forums if somebody was asking for help on a book or something. This method does work on many types of forums. I find that the best results was for me to focus on forums that were related to literature and books specifically. I found that I had the most targeted people and the easiest chance of getting people to click on the link because there's people that are already interested in reading and literature. So what you want to do, guys, you want to find a forum that you like. Okay, so for example, let's say we're going to work with this one. You're going to find a forum that you like that is active and you think you would like to promote on, and you're going to go there and you're going to create an account. And now this is where most people go wrong. They create the account and they right away they start posting and putting posts and stuff like that and just basically, let's say, honestly spamming the forum. That is not what you want to do. That is not going to work. Okay, so don't just create an account and then just start posting your affiliate link. It is not going to work. You need to build up trust on the forum. And this means posting helpful, honest posts for a few days. Building up, getting people used to you, introducing yourself, building up a bit of a post count so you get some trust with the admins and with the people on the site. So what you're going to want to do is you want to create the account, and don't just start by, like I said, don't just start by posting your affiliate link right now. You're going to want to post around 10 to 15 posts. Now, you can... And these posts, you're going to want to spread them out over a few days. Don't just go one day and just boom, hit it with 15 posts because it's going to look like spam. You want to spread it out over about, I'd say about a week or so, but you can make it a little bit faster. It's up to you, but I would say about 5 to 7 days is what I would post those 10 to 15 posts. Now, you could spend the time writing these posts and stuff like that if you don't mind doing it, or you can do it the easy way. Let me show you a trick that I use. What you're going to do is this. You're going to head over to Reddit, okay? And you're going to do a search for books, or book suggestions or something like that. And you're gonna look for book clubs. All right, so you're gonna look for like subreddits like this one here. And as you can see, this subreddit here has tons and tons and tons of content. What books helped you to be a kinder, better person? That's a good post for initial one. So for example, you could take this and you could use that as your initial topic. And then you could say, okay, then I would scroll down here and I would look at these answers and I would say, I would do a post like this. I would make this as my title. And I said, for me, it was these three. And I would just pick 3 random books from here. I would pick, I don't know, Stranger in a Strange Land, How to Win Friends, whatever. Just find 3 books or 2 books from there, and then you'd add that as the content for your post. So what you can do is you can just go through this subreddit and you can just find all these different types of posts that you can copy over. For example, recommendations for sci-fi space novels. You can just make this as a post. Say, hey, I'm looking for this. This means that you don't really need to think at all. You can just sort of put it on kind of on autopilot while you're doing it. You just be like, okay, I need a post. You come over here, boom, you look for Reddit. You scroll down here, you find a post that makes sense, and you copy it over and you post it in here as a new post. And if you are going to do that method where you're going to be copying from Reddit and posting it on here, what I suggest you do, and just a little bit of a tip here, guys, is look for posts on Reddit that are a bit older, maybe a month old. There's less chance of somebody calling you out on copying a post over if it's from like a month ago, because a lot of people will remember a post from today. Let's say somebody on this forum is also on that Reddit subreddit. There's a very good chance. There's a chance that they read that post and they might call you out on it. So what really works really well is you look for older posts on Reddit and then you use those ones. Just kind of prevents any problems. But again, it's up to you. You could use current ones if you want. It's your thing. So what you're going to do is just to sum it up, what you're going to do is you're going to create your account and you're going to post around 10 to 15 posts and spread it out over about a week or so. After you've completed that first week of posts, now it's time to sort of ramp it up a little bit and you're going to start increasing the amount of posts that you're posting per day. You've gained some trust at this point, and it's okay now to post a bit more often and get people used to seeing you posting more often, because when you do start to post your links and your affiliate links, you don't want to be like one post a day where it's just an affiliate link. People might flag it, you might get in trouble. So what you want to do is you want to start upping the amount of posts per day to around 5 to 10. And you want to do this for a few days, like 3-4 days, get them comfortable with you posting more often so it looks normal. And after you've done that for a few days, what you're going to do is you're going to now start once per day putting an affiliate link into one of those posts. Don't just like go and put like 5 posts with 5 links. You're going to do 1 post per day with a link. Maybe some days don't do it, but you want to basically be consistent where it's roughly about 1 per day, not much more than that, because you don't want you to get your account flagged for spamming. And also, whenever you're posting on the forums, try to spread it out throughout the day. Don't just sit there and hammer it like 5-10 posts, like one after the other, boom, 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 boom. That's not natural, and it might get your account flagged, or people might look at you suspiciously that when you do post a link, they're like, oh, this person is just trying to sell to us. You do not want that. So you got to sort of try and spread it out a little bit. Make it look natural. Okay, now when it comes to the actual post that you're going to be putting your link in, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look for threads where people are asking for book suggestions. So somebody might say, hey, what is a book like this? Or hey, have you read this book? Or what do you think of this offer? And you're going to look for sort of posts like that where you can naturally put a reply in that doesn't make it seem like a sales thread. You don't want to be like a sales pitch. You don't want to seem like you're trying to sell something. You want to seem like, again, like a natural, normal person who's just helping somebody else out on the forum. That is very key to this. Okay, now when it comes to the actual post and when it's time to actually post one of your affiliate links, it's very important that it does not look like a sales pitch. What you need to do is you need to post something that's sort of helpful and friendly. It cannot look out of place, and it cannot look like, hey, this is this book, check it out, get it for free, or sign up for Audible. No, you cannot do that. Okay, that's not what you're going to do. Let's say, for example, you're posting on a website and somebody was asking for books related to like mental health, for example. You could post something like this. This is the kind of post you want. It's like kind of like this. I was sort of in the same boat as you a few months ago. I talked to my therapist and she recommended me this book. It really helped me out. I bought the hardcover locally, but you can get it for free on Audible. Just sign up for the free trial. I think the free trial lets you download a book for free. And then you add your link to the book at the end. This is the type of sales, quote unquote, post that you want. It's relatable, it's friendly and helpful. People like this. And also, mods tend to leave posts like that alone. So your link has a much better chance of sticking. It looks natural. It doesn't look like a sales pitch. So it has a really, really good chance of just, staying there for a long time and giving you a lot of traffic. Now, if you do find that you're having a hard time getting your affiliate links to stick, like for example, you're posting on a forum and you notice that no matter what you're doing, every time you post to like Amazon, like your affiliate link, it gets flagged and removed. You might have to go and create a landing page for that offer. So for example, let's say you're trying to promote like a book that somebody is asking about. You might have to quickly make a landing page with maybe make a like a website, James's books and thoughts or something, and just make it like a blog where you share what quote unquote books you've enjoyed. And then you just make a blog post about that specific book, put a big quick synopsis or something you can find from the internet, say I love this book, blah, 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 and then link to the affiliate offer. Then when you're in the forum and you're making the post, you would link to your personal blog. So it doesn't look like you're trying to link to an affiliate offer. It looks like you're just trying to link to your little what you thought about the book. That has a good chance of not getting flagged by the mods, but it is something that you will have to work with, and it does take a lot more work, and it's up to you if you want to do that. You could always just go to a different forum. If you're finding that you're having difficulty making your links stick, then you can always try a different forum. Again, it's up to you. You're going to have to try these things and see which one works best for you. Anyways, guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. So get out there, find a forum, make some posts, and make some money. Just don't spam. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe and thumbs it up. Until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you then.